this portable wireless charger up on Amazon for about 35 bucks. Now, the version I picked up is currently unavailable, and I'm not sure how long it's been unavailable for, but this is the 20,000 milliamp variant. They also have a 26,800 milliamp variant that is for 48 bucks, and it pretty much does all the same stuff. Only difference is it has a higher battery capacity. And going back to this one available, I would suggest you pick up the bigger one because they both have really great reviews. This one has 303 ratings and it has 4.2 out of 5 stars. So this portable charger is built with this hard plastic material that has this carbon fiber like design, and it doesn't look bad. It actually honestly looks a little cool. And despite how big it looks, it's not that much heavier than my phone. And I have a Note 10, just a regular variant, not the Note 10 Plus. And it does come with these little rubber stoppers. And I wouldn't really call them stickers, but they help. But they help it from sliding around the table, or it helps it from the phone sliding around when it's wirelessly charging. So you've got 5 ports up top, and then you've got 1 port on the side. Up top, you've got 3 USB-A outs, and then you've got a USB-C in or out, and then you've got a micro USB in or out, and then you've got a fruit in. Now the fruit port is basically, or it's just a lightning port, but I'm guessing for maybe copyright reasons they couldn't just name it lightning port. I'm not really sure why they named it fruit. So up top, you do see this orange port, this orange USB-A port at the top, that it supports quick charge 3.0, and that gets you up to 36 watts of fast charging. And they didn't mark it, but also the USB-C also gets you that quick charge 3.0. And then next to that, you've got two 12-watt charger ports, which, I mean, for some phones, that is considered fast charging. But to me now, that just seems a little bit slow, so I really don't use those too much. And then if you place it right on the top, you've got a 10-watt wireless charging right at the top. And that's really the reason why I bought this. I wanted something that was more convenient than having to pull out a cord. And with this one, I don't even have to bring a cord. I can just pull it out and set my phone right on top, and then it starts charging. Now, the battery itself takes about 7 to 8 hours to charge with the USB-C, about 10 to 11 hours to charge with the micro USB, and then about 12 to 13 hours to charge with the lightning or the fruit port. Now, once you fully charge it, and usually I just do this overnight, it charges my phone about 5 to 6 times. That's really the only thing I use it to charge, but you can plug multiple things in and wireless charge at the same time. You will get slower charging speeds though. So I went looking for a wireless charger because I recently just got exposed to them, and I wasn't really a big fan of wireless chargers, only because of the slower charging speeds. I'm so used to getting that 25 watts or 35 watts or whatever, whatever my phone was supporting at the time. And then I used one, and then I realized, hey, this is super convenient, especially like if you're a gamer like me and you're in between sessions, or you're in between matches. You can just pick that thing up, put it back down, instead of like looking for a cable. It's just right there in your face. um Overall, I feel like it's a really good buy. It's definitely worth the 35 bucks I spent on it. And yeah.